When it comes to texting in dating and relationships, it's important to find a balance that works for both partners. While some couples prefer constant communication, others may only want to text a few times a week. It's common for partners to talk a few times a day in committed relationships, but in casual relationships, communication might be less frequent. Sending pictures, videos, and interesting media can help keep the energy going throughout the day. It's okay to double text after a few hours if your partner hasn't replied, but avoid being too clingy or needy. Match your partner's texting speed and try to keep the conversation going with similar length messages. Save serious topics for phone calls or in-person meetings to avoid miscommunication. Communication preferences should be discussed with your partner to find a compromise that works for both of you. Give your partner space to initiate conversations as well, to keep the communication balanced.